Have you ever heard of biodiversity? Biodiversity is a short way of saying biological diversity and is the variety of life on Earth. Think of biodiversity as a web of life in which humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms rely on each other. Biodiversity is usually explored at three levels: genes, species, and ecosystems. Each individual species has genes, which are the source of its different features. For instance, each person has a different face and body because of the uniqueness in our genes. Biodiversity is also present in different species, that is, the variety of living things which can reproduce. On our way to work, school, or the store each day, we see different species of animals, like horses, cows, insects, and trees like hibiscus, pawpaw, or mango. These varieties of species live in many different types of habitats, including forests, mountains, savannas, rivers, or wetlands. Therefore, biodiversity is all around us. According to the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, Guyana's country profile has about 8,000 species of plants and 1,815 known species of fishes, amphibians, birds, reptiles, and mammals. Did you know that failure to manage the practices of our agricultural, gold, diamond, and bauxite industries can cause harmful chemicals to seep into groundwater and or make their way into rivers and lakes used by neighboring communities? Our industrial waste is another pollutant that poses a threat to biodiversity, since the act of dumping the waste can pollute our rivers and other water bodies by the release of harmful chemicals. Also, overharvesting of fishes, animals, medicinal plants, overlogging, and overgrazing animals on the land poses serious threats to biodiversity, since it means that we are using these resources faster than they can be replaced or reproduced. If we want to protect our country's biodiversity, we need to understand that humans rely on plants, animals, and all other living things as much as they rely on us. In fact, Guyana's biodiversity is considered mostly intact, but if we are not careful, our environments can be destroyed. For instance, this stack of blocks, with each block representing a plant, animal, human, microorganism, or fungi, are stacked to represent our environments. Let's say we remove one block. There isn't a major shift in the whole structure, but if more and more blocks are removed, meaning animals go extinct or plants die, the greater the impact will be on our structure. How can we protect our country's biodiversity? At the national level, Guyana signed on to the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity in 1992, which was ratified in 1994. You may ask, what is the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity? A convention is an agreement on the environment between more than two countries. Such an agreement guides global, regional, and national action on environmental issues. Therefore, the UNCBD is an agreement between more than two countries on biodiversity, and it guides global, regional, and our national action on biodiversity. Since signing the convention, the National Focal Point, which is the Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, has worked towards the protection and sustainable use of biodiversity. You may ask, what is a focal point? A focal point is an agency which is responsible for coordinating implementation of a convention at the national level. The EPA has implemented a national biodiversity strategy and action plan, the mainstreaming of biodiversity, and is continually working to achieve the MEA. The work of EPA is complemented by organizations such as the Protected Areas Commission, Iwokrama International Center for Rainforest Conservation and Development, World Wildlife Fund Guyana Country Office, Conservation International Guyana, and the Guyana Marine Conservation Society, to name a few. Here are ways you can help to protect Guyana's biodiversity. Become an advocate for biodiversity. Plant trees instead of concreting your yard. form a group to clean up a beach, drain, or trench or streets in your community. To learn more about how you can protect Guyana's biodiversity, call or visit the Environmental Protection Agency.
A message from the Ministry of the Presidency, Department of Environment, Global Environment Facility, and the United Nations Development Programme.